I'm Chanel Greco, and I'm the host of this YouTube channel called Saperis. I create video tutorials all about the different apps that are part of Google Workspace. Want to learn how to send out automated Gmail responses? Interested in learning how Google Drive sharing works? Or do you want to automate tasks and data handling in Google Sheets with AppScript? Then you've come to the right place. Every week, I publish new video tutorials that are aimed at making you a Google Workspace Pro. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of the video tutorials.